Currently, it is day 4 of the vacation. We are at the hotel. Justin's not. Ha! I got Joshua. Bro, yo. Show him the drip, bro.
You already know, bro.
Oh, I'm trying to zoom in. I don't know why. Oh, I know why. But hey, he got the drip on. Got the yellow about the car. Right now, we're going to check in. So, bro. We ate good, right? We ate some tacos, bro. Some tacos. Hold on. Justin, big body ass, ate like a burrito and a.
Big body ass, you got 3 tacos.
Joshua start eating, bro. Joshua start eating, bro.
No, midnight snack, you know what I mean?
Okay, bro. Yes, sir. Alright, so we're at the store. So I got some drinks. You have no ketchup, Josh? So I guess after I check in, you're gonna have to. Bless you, Josh. You're gonna have to look for a store. Ketchup. Oh my God, Josh. Alright, we checked into the hotel. Don't lie, this is a pretty good hotel. I wouldn't be surprised if we heard some shots at night. But yeah, I mean, it'll do for tonight. It's the last night. Last day of Rolling Loud, so it's not too bad. We have a refrigerator, so we can't complain that much. So hopefully for this day, be a successful day. Trying to go see Travis, definitely at night. We're gonna go catch Nav. Then when we take the train, we get there, we just get to see ASAP Ferg. There's a little time gap because of the people who were supposed to perform that day aren't coming. But yeah, so right now, just finish getting this stuff out of my car. Where's Sean? I thought Justin was gonna come. Oh, well. I thought Justin was gonna come.
Let's do this shit, bro. One more time. Let me see. On the count of 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
With my 3 year on the scene, 20 nights don't feel like nothing to me. Came from this music, turned me to a piece. Invisible set diamonds all in my piece. With me for a show, I need 80 at least. I'm on the smoking, no keeping the peace. Keep me and raising when I'm in the east. Open them up just like a surgery. Everything burning around me on lit. Show a love out of. I got lots of habits. I think I'm an addict. Trying to talk me down and I don't have it. What you say? Sometimes I get lost in the time gone. No, you don't really love me, just my song. Drop another one, man, I'm alone in my room. I'ma keep on winning, you should put your bets on me. I'ma open up a bakery, baguettes on me. Walking through the mall, I got a check on me. Designer look the best on me. I got lots of pressure, lots of stress on me. Independent, I got people that depend on me. If you wasn't thinking, you pretend on me.
We outside. Jumped out in this bitch too. I just got to see Nav out front. It's pretty wild out here. We might just go see Travis. Right now we went to meet up with the crew. We don't know where they went. But yes, sir.
was like,
Holy
they call
shit.
it-
Update on the last day of Rolling Loud. I lost my glasses, but fuck it. We're getting new ones. The first day Rolling Loud was successful. I'm not gonna lie, right now we lost the rest of the group. So we're gonna head to the hotel and then we're gonna head to a Halloween party. So we'll see how that goes. Like I said, I can't even see, so I'm gonna be honest, I don't know where the fuck I'm going right now. So yeah, I saw Travis, I saw Nav. Nav was crazy. Let's see. I was in line for a Four Loco and some random ass guy wanted to cut the line and bought me a Four Loco, so I'm pretty lit right now. So yeah, let's see where it goes, bro. Damn, that's about here. Yeah, that's about here. We outside. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of fucked up. So Daniela parked in a parking spot like this. I never paid for the parking, so we're about to see how badly that's about to be. Okay, got to the hotel. About to check in. Yeah, it's so ass that I lost my glasses. Travis Scott, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of figured it was gonna go that crazy, but yeah, it was pretty worth it. So yeah, right now I'm about to get ready. I'm actually the first one to get to the hotel. Everybody else is on the train right now, so I'm about to get ready. We gotta go to a party. Oh, fuck, I can't even get my shoes off. Fuck, yeah. Definitely coming back next year.
Sauced. I was too, and then that sobered me up.
Are they from here?
One's from upstate, and like around us, and then I'll fuck with you, gang. That's what I kept saying with me.
Yeah, fact.
Because it's funny because I smoked the one joint and the girl I was with had a lighter.
Damn, bro. I was like, I was pretty saucy in the car, so I was like, damn, I'm really hoping I find Justin because I want that one. I was like, Justin, I want just one joint.
I think we'd get broken up like that. I thought we'd find each other again.
I figured that, bro. I was trying so hard to find you, but hey, we made it out.
Make sure we get in the gas one.
Like I said, I hate
why do-
gas stations in the city because
why
they
is
do
it-
not got anything, bro. I mean, they're gonna have what we're looking for, just Coke, but like, peep Justin's drip. Alright. Oh, we're gonna have. If you want something, you're gonna have to ask for it. I'm pretty sure they do.
Do you guys have 2 liters? I'm not gonna. You don't want me to? Yeah, that's a good yellow one.
What happened to your shoes, bro? I didn't feel like wearing them again. My calves hurt though.
And we're arranging the right calf.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I was showing off the food, bro. I'm eating good right now. We eating tacos, the burrito, bro. That shit built like Josh, bro.
Hey,
yo.
Exactly water.
It's probably John's or Jordan's Molly water.
I lost that bitch a long time ago.
What country? The Czech West?
Yeah, bro. I got so, bro. I got so tight, bro. As soon as I let that bitch out of my hand, I was like, oh, well, there goes the Molly water. But luckily, someone bought me a Four Loco.
Right.
Listen, I saved myself $19. That shit's, bro. That shit's an OD. I know damn well I can go to the gas station and buy one for $4. Not even. Right now, we about to go get some plates to cook up this food. Josh is going straight to the microwave.
Do you guys have plates? Paper plates?
Told you, bro. I know damn well they did not have paper plates, bro.
That's you, but like getting the fruit. You know what I mean?
Ooh, automatic lights.
Josh, you fucking idiot, bro.
Would it really burn that badly?
Oh, that makes so much sense, yo. They probably would. Come on, guys, search.
You guys want Cheerios?
Bro, I don't think they got plates, but they got water, so we might as well just start looting.
Plastic sheeting.
You serious?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm just gonna put my food in there, bro.
I went in here.
If it starts to
Pause.
what?
My shit's soft. Pause.
Nah, I mean it was in the freezer. I don't know. It was
No, it was at the bottom. I was in the fridge. You were supposed to put it in the freezer.
no. Somebody put my food in the freezer. I don't know
Yeah, I
why.
think it was the end.
Yeah, of course it was. Okay, well I'm gonna take this whole entire paper off. What's up, bro? What? I guess. Yeah, it will.
Yes, it will.
It will.
Yes,
Jordan, I did aluminum, bro.
That's the aluminum disc, bro. Yeah.
You don't have the top.
You got to use it.
Okay. You put your whole burrito in there, bro.
Yes, sir.
I'm tight that my shit just caught out of nowhere. I don't even know where I stopped recording.
You still get it on 36?
I don't know when my last clip started recording, but right now we're still trying to figure out how to cook our food. Justin tried to ask for plates and it didn't work.
We were in the concert. I think it was for Nav. Some guy's like, "Yo, Chief Keef is brought out over there." Mad niggas broken neck like this.
Nah, I heard some of them. Some people were really saying for Chief Keef, which I understand. We would
What
be
was
Chief
Chief Keef?
in the other stage. It was Chief Keef was on the same time as Travis, so I know. Yeah, shout out to the people that stay for Chief Keef. Those are real Chief Keef fans.
You guys want me to use your shit?
I'm gonna cook my food, yo.
Yeah, you guys could use this.
We're making our way back right now. Last day of vacation. I'm still the day off. We're making our way back. We didn't end up going to a Halloween party last night, but I ended up still drinking when we got home. When we got to the, as I was saying before I got cut off, when I was the first to get to the hotel, I took a shower. I was waiting for them, see what the vibe was. But yeah, we just ended up staying in the hotel, drinking, smoking, and the morning was pretty good. There was no free breakfast that we were promised to.
You want me to drive you to the basement room?
What? Alright, so Justin gotta get stuff first. I found out now that I was recording everything in 4K, but hey, it's better for everybody else. Oh shit. Good luck finding out what's yours in there. Justin. How about I say, I thought there was no Kool-Aid bill. Hey, bro, I got the future rolls. That is the end of the vlog. As y'all know, I lost my glasses, but luckily I have a backup pair. But I'm getting a new one soon. Thank you for everybody watching both the first part and this video. It was a really good time. I really enjoyed myself. Lost my glasses, but pretty worth it. Video-wise, definitely have more coming soon. Video podcast coming soon. Gabe should be having his charger for his camera, so we should be having that up and ready. But at the moment, if y'all want to see more vlogs, let me know. I don't really go out. I really don't do that much vacationing, but I'll do like a couple random ones here when I'm doing something at least interesting, so y'all would like look. I don't want to do like a random ass boring ass vlog, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm back home. Rolling out 2021 success. Enjoyed it. Like, comment on the video, subscribe, and catch you.